Have you ever wondered what would happen if you dug a hole straight through the center of the Earth and jumped in? Where would you come out? How long would it take? Let's find out with science. First, let's bust a myth. A lot of people think that if you dug straight down from America, you'd pop out in China. Nope, you'd actually splash into the Indian Ocean near Australia. Most land on Earth has ocean on the exact opposite side. But let's pretend we built a magical tunnel that goes clean through the whole planet. What would the trip be like? The moment you jump in, you start falling, faster and faster. But here's the first problem. It gets hot, really hot. The center of the Earth is about 6,000 degrees Celsius, as hot as the surface of the sun. You'd also be crushed by unbelievable pressure. And the middle of the Earth is made of swirling liquid metal. So in real life, you would never survive. But let's imagine you're indestructible and the tunnel is empty of air. As you fall, gravity pulls you faster and faster until you reach the center, zooming at around 8 kilometers per second. At the very center, something strange happens. You become weightless, floating for a moment, because gravity is pulling you equally in every direction. Then your speed carries you up the other side. And here's the cool part. As you rise, gravity slows you down, and you'd arrive at the far side of the Earth, just barely reaching the surface. And then you'd fall back again. You'd bounce back and forth, over and over, like a giant human yo-yo. So how long would one trip through the Earth take? About 42 minutes. That's shorter than an episode of your favorite show. Even weirder, scientists figured out that any straight tunnel through the Earth, no matter where you dig it, would take about the same 42 minutes. So why can't we actually do this? The deepest hole humans have ever dug only goes about 12 kilometers down, and the Earth is 12,700 kilometers thick. We've barely scratched the surface. So the lesson: sometimes the best way to understand our world is to imagine the impossible. Thought experiments like this teach us about gravity, heat, and the hidden layers deep inside our planet. So the next time you're bored, imagine falling through the Earth. Where would your tunnel come out?